Alright, this is how to make a chart using Google Sheets. First, I'm going to select my data, go to Insert, Insert Chart, and I want to go through chart types and scroll down and look for scatter, and that's what a scatter plot is, and hit Insert, and there it is, and I'll left click and drag it over. And here's a quick review of what I just did. Select Insert, select Chart Types, select Scatter, click Insert. In the chart, click on the chart, and right here is a drop-down menu, and you're going to want to hit Advanced Edit, and we'll get this menu here that we'll scroll down through. Here's a review of those steps. The chart appeared. We clicked the top right corner for a drop-down menu and selected Advanced Edit. Here's a highlight of that button I'm talking about. In the chart section here, we have a place for the title of the graph. I'll call this position versus time. That's my dependent variable versus my independent variable. In the chart section, we just entered the title. And we'll scroll down to the axis section, horizontal axis we're talking about here. Give a title for the horizontal axis to be time. I'll put the units in seconds and hit return, and there it is. Now I'll drop down, hit the left vertical axis, which is right here, and give that a title of position in centimeters, and hit return, and there it is. Here's a summary of those moves. Title the horizontal axis, change the drop down to vertical, and write the vertical axis name. Scroll down some more until you come to trend line. If it looks linear, look for a trend line and select linear, and a line will be drawn. And now you can scroll down more, and for a label, we want to use equation, and an equation appears right there. And the last thing I want to do is select show R squared. Here's a review of those steps. In the trend line section, select linear. That's if the plot looks linear. Scroll down a little bit and select things as we show them right there. We're now finished with this edit, and hit update, and there it is there. I want to click on the graph and make it big enough so that my equation has the room there, and I have y equals 2 times x plus 0 here, and my r squared value is equal to 1. And finishing up, we just click the update. And lastly, we stretch the graph window to get the equation of the best fit line on a single line.